Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of this Kona KuKu build and modification, etc. Join me on a bit of a chilly Sunday afternoon. You can't really see it, but it's out there. There she is. Stripping it down a little bit, having a little play. I've swapped over the tyres onto the new Skyway rims and pumped them up. Little pro tip: if you're trying to get your track pump to get onto the valve and it doesn't go on, you can buy these little extensions, these little things. They say screw on where the dust cap would go, then it gives you a little bit extra. So and they really work. They really work really well. They work really well. I've only blown them up to 40 psi, which is fine for standing around in the shed for a little while until I get out and use it. But other than that, just checking it over. Got a few dings and a few scratches to look at. I'm gonna clean the frame up, gonna polish it a bit. I've got to get some more decals for it as well because it's got the actual KuKu name missing off the frame. So I don't know why. May have got scratched off in the past by its previous owner, and you know, it's just one of those things, I'm afraid. As per the seat as well, the saddle is just atrocious. I've got to change that, and a few other little bits and bobs. So yeah, got a few things on order. Got a new freewheel, got a new 16 tooth freewheel because the Skyways came with an 18 and it won't fit the chain properly or the tugs, etc. I'm going to get a saddle sooner or later, and I need some rear brake blocks as well because they're really low. So yeah, it's coming together, and hopefully we'll get out in the sunshine when the summer arrives and give it a blast over the park. Right, quick update. I've just had the crank out and it's absolutely dry as a bone. It's the cranks themselves are in good condition, and the chain ring, this K9 chain ring, is really nice. CNC milled, give it that nice effect. So that's in good nick. But these race bearings on the back of the crank, the bearings themselves are pretty dry, and I'll just show you the shells. Look at that, so crusty. So I'm going to knock them out, and I'm going to use the donor bike shells instead. Terrible, eh? 25 years of hard abuse. Yeah, thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed this type of video. Be great if you could subscribe. The channel is very new and it's gaining traction very slowly. Really appreciate your support. So on that note, have a lovely Sunday, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.